So we're going to test our capacitor, okay? So this is a 40-5, so 40 for the compressor, 5 for the fan motor. So first thing you always want to do is pull your power. Right up there. Alright, and then we're going to disconnect some wires up there. Okay, so set your meter to microfarads, okay? And you're going to touch your leads to the terminals, common and compressor. Okay, let's go right in here. There. Remember, it's a 40 capacitor, so shooting 39.2, so should be okay for a while. You could recommend a change, but it's still working. So when you finish your tune-up, be sure to wash all the coils inside and out.